Good evening, guys. This is Sumaiya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, today in this video, we'll be learning about closet lighting. To discuss in detail about closet lighting ideas, I have considered a sample project of a walk in closet here. I will walk you through this layout. This is the entrance, and when you enter here, straight in front, you have a open closet here. Towards its right side, you have a full height mirror here. Towards the other side, we have a dressing table or a makeup unit. You can have even an island at the center of this and more storage space for your clothes. We'll be designing the lighting, so our layers will be task lighting, accent lighting, ambient lighting, and feature lighting. Let's start with task lighting. To design this task lighting, you need to first understand what are the different tasks being performed in this walk-in closet. Now, the first task area here is this closet itself because it is the main element of the closet. We have all our clothing and storage and accessories displayed here. So this will be our first and very important task area. Second task area to me here is this full length mirror. Okay, understand the importance of this mirror here. So there's a closet here. Once dressed up, the person needs to check himself in the mirror, and that's why we have a full length, full height mirror here. Okay, this is the next important task area here. The other one is, of course, this dressing table or a makeup unit. During the day, we have enough of daylight in this room because of this window here, but as the day falls to the night, we need some artificial lighting. As we have studied the layout and noted our task lighting areas, that is the closet, the mirror, and the dressing unit. So let's discuss this one by one. Let's start with the closet itself. In the closet, observe what are the different storage space you have in the closet. Like here, I have the space for hanging the clothes. I have space display the accessories, and I have shoe display rack. So these are the different display or a storage areas. Now let's start with this area where I'm going to hang the clothes. I need some lighting to see the clothes which are hanging in this clothes rail. So I need to illuminate this area. What I can do is either I can place a strip light or LED linear LED light in front of this clothes rail so that the light illuminates all the clothes. Second option is the concealed lighting, wherein we need to have a provision within the closet so that we can hide the fixture within at the top portion of the closet and direct it towards this side, towards here. And in this way, the light fixture is not visible, but you can see that your whole space is bright and nicely illuminated. I love this idea because it is very neat solution. Next way is you can have a customized LED for your clothes rail like this. Okay, so there are n number of ways you can achieve this lighting. It depends on the type of the profile you're using. Okay, now next, if you need to illuminate the storage space, you can place the LED light at the sides of the closet. And if you have glasses in your closet for the storage space for the display of your accessories, you can use a corner profile. Let me zoom this. You can see here there is a corner profile placed at this corner of this metal piece, and the light here is highlighting the accessories. In this method too, the profile is not visible to the person, but it is nicely illuminating the object. The other way is you can use the profile light at the top. Either you can place it behind, middle, or little front. All three ways, all three positions may give you a different effects of lighting. Now in this way, the profile light is slightly placed behind, and because of that you can see that it has a soft light on the back portion of this shelving, and also the objects are illuminated. This effect may vary depending on the position of your profile light. These are some of the ways to highlight your clothing, shelving, or a storage space. There are n number of profiles available in the market which can be customized as per the type of shelving you have. Choose wisely. Make sure that the profile is not directly visible, because our intention is to highlight the clothes and accessories. We don't need any unwanted glare here. You can also make it sensor based, like say when you open the wardrobe, the lights will automatically get turned on. Okay, if you want to understand how these profiles are actually installed in real time projects, I will share you the link of a video in the description. Now, the other way is, in case you're not using any built-in shelf lighting or a joinery lighting for your closet, then there is another way too in which you can achieve the task lighting layer, that is by the use of adjustable downlights. Okay, now here I have placed some 4 adjustable downlights with a medium optics, and I am directing it towards the closet. Make sure the angle is proper. If there is an error in tilt angle, then you may have nasty scallops produced over this. We just need to tilt in this downlights in such a way that our closet is highlighted. Now see here, all the clothes are nicely illuminated. This is also the place, the use of this adjustable downlights is also crucial, because if some person is standing right in front of this closet in this position here and picking up the clothes, I have a downlight here, it may fall on the person and there might be a shadow of the person falling here. Okay, so the proper positioning of this downlight is important in case you're not using any additional joinery lighting for your closet. I would suggest you to use adjustable downlight instead of fixed downlight. You can use it both with trim or trimless deep recessed anti-glare fixtures. You can also use this kind of spotlights. Okay, but the problem with this one is, suppose if you're using something like this, recessed adjustable medium optics, this is something similar to what I have used here. Okay, so this one, either I can rotate it and tilt it near the closet, or I can tilt it anywhere else. Okay, I can use the same lights for general illumination as well. But if you're using this kind of adjustable spotlights, you need to direct it only to the closet area. You can't direct it for a general illumination, because this will cause glare if you direct it for general illumination. But in case if you're using only to highlight the closet, then of course you can use this, but make sure you are placing at proper distance from this closet, somewhere between 1 feet to 2 feet away from the closet, and direct it towards the wardrobe. Okay, see, these are those adjustable downlights. Now it is directed downwards. I can adjust it, or I can tilt its angle and direct it towards the wardrobe like this. Look at the difference once again. This is when adjustable downlights are directed downwards, and this when they are directed towards the wardrobe. Okay, next task area for us is this full length mirror. For full length mirror, you can use mirror lights, LED mirror light. This will give you a nice illumination. This is a good solution for mirror lighting. Let's see this effect. You can get this mirror lights into dimmable. Like suppose if you feel like this is too bright for you, then you can dim it, or you can select for lesser lumen and lesser wattage. Now third task area for us is the dressing unit. In the dressing unit too, I can subdivide it into other 2 more task areas. One is this mirror, and other is this table itself. For mirror, you can opt for mirror lighting, or you can use a wall sconces next to the mirror. Make sure the wall sconces which you are selecting is a diffused source. Okay, something like this. And for the task lighting on the table, anyway we are using this adjustable downlights here. one row is here, second row I can place it here, and I can use one of these adjustable downlights and direct it towards here so that I have enough task lighting on the table as well. Okay, so this was about task lighting layer. For ambient lighting, if you have a cove provision, you can go for cove lighting. It gives you a nice cozy warm ambience. If you do not have a provision for cove lighting, what you can do is you can place a LED strip light at the top of your closet area, like here. Because of this, it will create a nice warm glow at the top of the closet, which makes this room more cozier. If you have provision for placing the lights underneath this closet, that can also be your ambient lighting layer. You can also place some LED strip light underneath this dressing table in case you have a provision. That too will be your ambient lighting layer. And if you have any provision for indirect lighting in the walls, you can make use of that, and that will add into your ambient lighting layer. Next layer is, let's get back to our project and check what can be the elements here which I can accentuate. This has been covered in task lighting, this has been covered with task lighting, this is covered with task lighting. I have ambient lighting here, I have ambient lighting here. Now left out is this part, which of course I can use it as an accent lighting layer. In case you have any mannequins in your closet, that can be your accent lighting layer. Or if your client have any specific dress or any specific jewelry or an object which is very special to them, you can highlight that object or a dress. Okay, because of its speciality, it can be accentuated with accent lighting. Now for now, let's assume that this is that special dress to the client, and I have a nice cloth stand here, so I'm going to accentuate this. How I'm going to accentuate this is, I'm going to make use of the same adjustable downlight. Okay, I have one row here, I will add the other row here, and one downlight I'm going to direct it towards this, okay, towards here, so that the light is accentuating this element. Let us get back to dialogues and check the light direction so that it is easy for you to visualize. Light visualization, and this is that downlight which I'm directing it towards this object, this one. Okay, now these are those adjustable downlights. All these downlights I'm directing towards the wardrobe. Adjustable downlight I'm directing towards the table so that I have enough illumination on the table. And the rest two downlights, this and this one, where I need light, so I can direct one at the center, so I have more uniformity levels. I have chosen here medium optics, so I have not chosen narrow optics. Medium optics because I'm using the same adjustable downlights as an accent lighting layer and also the general lighting layer. In the general lighting layer, I do not need any bright narrow light. I need more of a diffuse light. That's the reason I chose medium optics. In case you have a different lighting layer for your general lighting, like say you're using some linear profiles or fixed downlights, you can use the narrow optic spotlight to highlight or accentuate any important elements in your closet area. Now next layer of lighting is feature lighting. Add some chandeliers. You can give your closet a touch of luxury by adding some crystal chandeliers or a modern chandeliers. In case you are using the same chandelier for general illumination, before purchasing it, check its light output. If you are going to use only for a decorative purpose, then it's okay to get it installed. But in case, only in case, if you're using as a general illumination here, like see I have switched on this chandelier and there is a nice illumination here, then make sure you check the light output first and then purchase it. You can also add some decorative wall sconces, some decorative floor lamps to give your walk-in closet more cozy atmosphere. So this is how we can design our walk-in closet or dressing rooms, step by step, layer by layer. Now let's see what are the different scenes we have designed. Hope this short video about walk-in closet lighting was helpful to you. If you like this video, please hit a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned to explore more in dialogues with me. Thank you.